loving me brings me to tears. Even after all these years, and it pains me so much to tell that you don't know me that way, and though my love